If you see a neck cream ad showing this type of transformation, that is not accurate. Skin laxity or neck aging is a common and difficult problem to treat. My name is Dr. Swati Cannon and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a board-certified cosmetic dermatologist out here in California. Today's video is going to discuss neck creams that can be helpful for tightening your neck as well as minimizing the risk of sun damage. Now, neck creams do not replace in-office procedures that we can do. In-office procedures like tightening devices or collagen boosting treatments really will give you the best outcomes, but you can use a variety of neck creams to either help augment the procedural results, or if you're in the earlier stages and you're younger and you're just now showing some signs of neck laxity, certain neck creams can help to hydrate the skin as well as boost collagen. So check out my previous video where I discuss in-office procedures that I do for aging neck skin. So do I think that you absolutely need neck creams? No. If you're limited with your budget, you can simply take the creams you use on your face and extend the application down onto your neck and onto your chest. You always want to treat your face, neck, and chest as one unit, and also don't forget your hands. So you don't need to buy a separate neck cream. With that being said, your neck skin is different than your facial skin. Your neck skin is thinner than your facial skin, so any loss of collagen or elastin is going to show with crepiness a lot more extensively than facial skin. Additionally, your neck skin doesn't contain oil glands, and oil is nature's moisturizer. So certain neck creams are going to be formulated differently than facial creams. This is similar to my prior discussion of eyelid skin and eye creams. Eyelid skin is also different than the rest of your facial skin. It is thinner, just like your neck skin, but obviously, not as thin as your neck skin. Eyelid skin is the thinnest on your body. So the formulations for eye creams, it's going to be different than facial creams. However, do you absolutely need an eye cream? No. Do you absolutely need a neck cream? No. But if you want some options for neck creams, here you go. The anti-aging ingredients for your neck are about the same as what you would need on your face. This includes vitamin C, retinoids, niacinamide, and peptides, basically ingredients that help to boost collagen. For sunscreen recommendations, I usually recommend tinted sunscreens. So here's a video on tinted sunscreens that you can use both on your face and on your neck. I'm going to list the neck creams in order of cost. The first product is the Rock Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Chest, Neck, and Face Moisturizer Cream with SPF 30. So I like this one because it contains sunscreen as well, which obviously is like the most important cream you can wear on your face, neck, or chest, or really anywhere. This is a pretty affordable cream at about $30 and has a trademark peptide called Hexyl R Complex plus vitamin C. It also contains glycerin, which is very helpful for hydration. So since your neck skin doesn't have as many oil glands, we really want to use hydrating ingredients to help moisturize the area. The sunscreen in this particular formulation is a chemical sunscreen. I usually prefer physical sunscreens. I don't really like creams that have sunscreen in them. But the reason I liked this one is because of the other ingredients present within this formulation. And I know that there are some who do prefer just a one-stop shop. So this would be like your one-stop shop at a reasonable price. Even though this has sunscreen, you can still use this one twice a day. The next product to help with neck laxity is this Paula's Choice Intensive Repair Cream. And this one's about $40. It contains retinol, peptides, niacinamide, and moisturizing ingredients like glycerin, as well as hyaluronic acid. So it's a very moisturizing cream. It is a slightly thicker cream. I have personally used and liked this one. I feel like it's better to use it at nighttime. The next product is the Strivectin TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream. And this one is about $60. It contains a variety of different ingredients like peptides, plant extracts, something called spilanthol, sorry. It's hard to pronounce all these ingredient names. You almost have to be a chemist. Spilanthol is a fatty acid that is isolated from plants, and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties. I don't know too much research about the efficacy of spilanthol, but it's one of the prime ingredients in this particular product. This one is also a pretty thick cream. I recommend it more for nighttime. And if you are going to use it in the daytime, you just want to wait until the cream absorbs before applying sunscreen on top. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button below. One of my favorite neck creams is the Revision Nectifirm product. It's about $100, so it is pricey. The reason I like it is because of the formulation. So it's not, I've mentioned this many times, it's not just the ingredients, but the formulation is also very important. This one contains about 5 different kinds of peptides to help with the collagen production, as well as vitamin C and E. It's great to be able to use twice a day. It has a really good texture. Honestly, you can also use these creams on the face and the chest, especially if you have dry skin on your face. You can use these thicker neck creams on your face. On a side note, if you ever don't like something for your face, like a retinoid product or certain products that you don't like on your face, you can use a smaller amount on your neck or in your chest. If you get dryness though, you always want to stop top and start moisturizing the area, but you don't have to throw away the products that you don't like. The next neck cream is by Alastin, and it's the Alastin Restorative Neck Complex with their Tri-Hex Peptide technology. This is also another peptide cream. I also really like this formulation. This is another one that I have tried. It is more expensive. It's about $123. And this is the one that I recommend to my patients after their in-office procedure, just to help with collagen augmentation, as well as elastin augmentation. So it's not just collagen, but you also need elastin to restore that suppleness to the skin. Have you tried any of these neck creams? If so, please comment and let me know below. Skinceuticals is another very popular brand. I think a lot of us dermatologists have talked about their vitamin C products that we really like, but they also make a neck cream, and it's called Tripeptide-R Neck Repair Cream. And this one's $135, so it is much more expensive. It contains about 0.2% pure retinol, peptides, and something called glycine, which is another plant extract found in poppy plants that might have some anti-aging properties. This particular repair cream is also a little bit thicker, so I do like it for nighttime. Under.Skin is actually another skincare brand, and it's a skincare brand that is dispensed by physician or physician offices only, so it's not something that you can buy online, but they have a product called Desire Sculpt Serum that I really like, and I recommend it for the face, the neck, and the chest. This particular serum contains a bunch of different peptides, as well as hyaluronic acid, plus several plant extracts. I have found that it's actually very soothing even after a laser procedure, and it's helpful for advanced aging for all three areas. They have some research to show that this particular product does help with crepiness of the skin, especially on your neck. However, all of these, this research is conducted by the company itself, so you do have to take it with a grain of salt. The price of the serum depends on which office you get it from, but it's around $200, so it is incredibly expensive. If you are limited on your budget, if you don't want to spend too much money on skincare products, I think that is perfectly okay. But my job on this YouTube channel is to be able to give you options that you can do at every price point, as well as to give you some truth. Like I said before, do you need neck creams? No. You can just use your facial cream and just extend the application onto your neck and chest. The other recommendation that I have for you is, if you feel like the skin on your neck needs more hydration, you can buy a slightly thicker facial cream or facial moisturizer, and you can check out this video that I have on moisturizers for various skin types. So you can use a thicker moisturizer just on your neck, and that will help as well to improve hydration. And then you can save that moisturizer for your face in case your skin gets dry. So like I said before, you can definitely use creams, but if you want to level up the results that you can see for neck tightening, then you want to check out my video on procedures that I do for neck tightening. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.